What if your home wasn't just a place to live, but a statement of your aspiration? A home that combines elegance, comfort, and convenience in one of Ahmedabad's most sought after locations. Welcome to TCC New Project by TCC and TRI Realty, a meticulously planned residential community in Nava Vadaj where superior craftsmanship meets world-class amenities. Imagine waking up to breathtaking views, enjoying a seamless blend of nature and modernity, and experience luxury every single day. Whether you are looking for a spacious family home or a smart investment opportunity, this project offers the perfect balance of lifestyle and returns. Let's take a deep dive into what makes this project stand out. Location and connectivity. The heart of Ahmedabad, situated in the thriving neighborhood of Nava Vadaj. This project ensures that everything you need is just around the corner. Educational institutes. Your children's future is secured with top-tier schools like Saurabh English School, just minutes away. Healthcare facilities. Peace of mind comes easy with AdCare Hospital in close proximity for any medical needs. Seamless connectivity. Whether it's commuting for work or leisure, the Rani petrol stations offer easy access to major parts of Ahmedabad. Shopping and dining. From quick bites at Subway to shopping at Sri Ratna Complex, entertainment is never far away. This prime location ensures a street-free lifestyle, keeping you close to the city's plus while maintaining peace and tranquility at home. Project overview. Spacious living redefined. The premium project offers contemporary residences styled for urban families. Configuration. Choose between 3 and 4 BHK ultra-modern apartments with super build-up areas ranging from 2214 to 3177 square feet. Pricing. 3 BHK starts from 1.03 CR to 1.15 CR. 4 BHK is priced at 1.48 CR. Community and structure. Spanning across 4 grand residential buildings, housing 195 thoughtfully designed apartments, fostering a vibrant and close-knit community. Possession date. Projected completion by December 2027, giving you ample time off to plan your move into this dream home. Every home is designed with modern aesthetics, superior ventilation, and premium specification to ensure an elevated living experience. Elevate your lifestyle. A home is more than just 4 walls, it's about the experience it offers. This project brings you a curated selection of amenities to enhance your everyday living. Exclusive parking, hassle-free, dedicated parking spaces, 24/7 water supply, ensuring uninterrupted convenience, recreational zones, thoughtfully designed clubhouse and community space for socializing, secure and surveillance, 24/7 security with CCTV monitoring, ensuring a safe living environment, eco-friendly infrastructure, featuring rainwater harvesting and green landscapes for sustainable living. Each amenities is crafted to enrich your lifestyle, offering you a perfect mix of leisure, security, and convenience. Developer legacy. Built on trust, this project is a joint venture between TCC and TRI Realty, both of whom have established themselves as leaders in the Ahmedabad real estate market with a proven track record of delivering high-quality residential spaces. They are committed to innovation, excellence, and on-time delivery. When you invest in a home here, you are investing in a legacy of trust and credibility. Secure your future home today. Don't just dream of luxury, own it. This is your chance to secure a stunning home in Nava Vadaj, Ahmedabad, designed for family who want the best in comfort, convenience, and connectivity. Book your site visit today. Our team is ready to assist you in choosing the perfect home that fits your needs. Click the contact CTA on housing.com now and take the first step towards your dream lifestyle.